Hey there, little gardeners. Welcome back to our vegetable adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of veggies. Ah, the juicy tomato. Let's pluck some ripe tomatoes and see what magic we can create. You can eat them raw in salads, make them into sauces for pasta, or even enjoy them as a refreshing snack on a hot day. Next, we have the crunchy carrots. Did you know they're not only tasty but also fantastic for your eyesight? Let's pull one out and see. Ah, the sleek and flavorful brinjal, also known as eggplant. Look at that beautiful purple hue. Brinjal is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Ah, the crisp and versatile cabbage. Look at those beautiful layers. So refreshing and tasty. Cabbage truly is a vegetable superstar. Ah, the aromatic and versatile onion. Onions are the flavor foundation of so many recipes and boost your immune system. Let's see what delicious dish we can create. Ah, the humble potato. Did you know you can make so many yummy things with them? French fries, mashed potatoes, potato chips. Let's dig some up and see the nature's treasure. So, my little veggie explorers, remember to eat your veggies every day to grow up big, strong, and healthy. Which veggie is your favorite? Until next time, keep exploring. See you soon in next episode.